What's up guys, and welcome back to another episode. This is part 2 of air ride installation on the G35. Today we are going to be focusing on the rears. The front is already done. I did have a small leak, but it didn't air out completely. I think the reason for it is I actually ended up taking the water traps off the car, put these directly in. So I think these just need to be tightened up a little bit more along with the pressure switch, and then we should be good. Also later today guys, I am going to be heading down to my tire guy, and we're going to be picking up some new rear tires. If you guys didn't already know, if you look at the fronts, they have a nice stretch to it. And then if you come to the rears, there's no stretch at all. So I'm going to be stretching the rears. That way when I air out, it should look better, and hopefully it'll fit, because I have a feeling this is going to hit the tire. And these are the same size tires, just different brands. So later we're going to be getting that taken care of.
I can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, back my life inside a car, hit the button, drive real far, but that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new night. Fighting the dark till we see.
So everything is removed. So now what you guys want to do is pretty much you're going to have to take the actual top of the bag, because it's going to sit in like this. This is the top. It's going to sit in somewhere right here. And then pretty much a hole is going to have to be drilled. And then you have this little piece right here. This comes off. You're going to pretty much use that as a template right here, and then drill a hole. And then this bolts in, and then pretty much put everything together. I think this is actually the hardest part. So after finally a lot of struggling, the bag is in, almost. Just putting the last bolt. The hardest part, I think, was getting the top piece drilled. This piece right here, right there. This was very difficult. And then putting in the rib nuts was also very difficult. But there it is, guys. Got the fitting and hose line all connected. Right back in there. Looks good.
Reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Alright guys, so there's something else I want to do. If you look at the fitment on the bumper, it's not that great. So I kind of want it to come out how it should be, like that. Not like that. So to do that, I actually picked these up from Harbor Freight. And they're little like seat clamps, and then a screw pretty much goes right in it. Like, let me show you. Pretty much like that. So it's going to clamp it and hold it together. And then when I put the screw in, you know what I mean? It's going to keep it in place. So I'm going to go ahead and do that to both sides on the bumper.
That's Paul from All the Hill. And every time Paul does slay a hog, you can hear that hog squeal!
What were they?
Because my nuts are oversized.
Are they?
Yep.
Damn. Hey, let's put that Scion wheel on.
Here?
No, I'm just kidding.
On my truck.
Fuck no. On your truck. Alright guys, so we got both sides done. Got the temporary lip back on. Looking good. Fitment up front now looks really good. Shane's back here drilling the top mount. What?
Why does it look like we did the exhaust?
Oh. What is that? Dude, honestly, no lie.
Hey,
I think we do. Yeah.
We
I think
probably did better than that.
Dude, my LS is done. We can
And
compare.
It's flux welder.
We could literally compare my exhaust to that.
No.
That's some shit. But you guys saw that one video of all the parts. I got new tips. We may be just getting all of that redone anyway, so it's alright. Alright guys, it's done. I'm gonna hand the camera off to Shane, and we're gonna get it pulled out so I can start it so we don't die of fumes in here.
probably the hardest suspension air ride installation I've ever done personally. But damn, it is monster trucking right now. It's higher than stock. It's so high.
Hopefully everything airs out nicely.
Find out.
I want to see how high it goes.
I think the front's all the way. The back went up a little bit.
Oh gosh, it's gonna hit.
Need
I'm
that.
gonna be able to air it out until I get those tires. What? I'm good.
You want aired out?
Yeah, the tires on my knee.
That fitment dough.
Yeah, I'm gonna need the tires. Same thing.
Yeah, and I don't trust this side because this side you cut a little jank.
I cut it a little cheap.
It was like shredded.
Nah, it's not even close to it. Look at it. So we're not gonna be able to get the full. Oh shit, the front. The front's on the floor. So we won't be able to get the full effect until the rear tires are on, which we're gonna do today, and then we can air it out. But we get an idea, and this shit looks pretty sick. I'm not gonna fuck my fenders up.
Nah.
It's done, dude. Shit. Dude, this thing's gonna be on the floor.
That just looks so mean right there.
Alright guys, so I gotta run to my appointment. It's 1:53. My appointment is at 2:30. After that, we're gonna head to the tire shop and then we're gonna get this thing aired out.
Alright, what's up guys? We just got to Tony's. Lewis has a quick doctor's appointment. He'll be here in a little bit. There's a motherfucker right there. But, oh, little lighting. You have to see his new dog. Baby, come here. Come here, Kimchi. Come here. Oh my God, look at him. What? What'd you say, boy?
Hi, this is Tony's Tire Club. We only serve the Vietnamese community.
Oh shit. What's he doing here
I
then?
mean, we're here to serve the Vietnamese community.
Oh, okay.
Sorry.
Wait, that guy's white.
It slipped my tongue.
I bet a lot of things slip your tongue.
Yeah. Everything. And she's like, I'm real. No. Huh?
Hey. What are you doing? Huh? There he is. Are you all cured?
Yeah. I'm cured, dude.
Yeah.
Huh? It does. You've done it before.
I think the transmission needs a little work. In the dirt though, you should do this thing in the dirt.
Okay.
Look at how it looks.
This vlog will be up next week sometime. I'll cruise by maybe or something. I'll send you pictures, yeah. I'll try. Later. First time letting someone else drive the car.
Faded in this dark and smoky room, with your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah.
Guys, so there it is. She's sitting low. Almost fender to lip up front. I know I can probably get that to sit on the floor. That lip kit is on the floor. However, I'm pretty sure I can get it to sit lower. I just have to look under. If not, that's pretty good height. The rear, however, this alignment, or this side, it's a little bit more cambered in as opposed to the other side. But look at that. It's pretty tight fitment. It's in there. It's pretty good. It could be also due to the fender. So that side we may need to cut a little bit more and hammer, but that's how it's looking. Ooh, feels good to be home. So that's where I'm gonna go ahead and leave this video off, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. The car is officially bagged. Now it's all about dialing everything in and then just taking the car from there, pretty much. I have a lot of good stuff that I plan on ordering very soon. So if you guys are already, aren't already, make sure you smash that big red subscribe button. We are on our way to 1,500 subscribers. I really would love to hit 2K as soon as possible. I think that'd be amazing. But I just want to thank every single one of you guys who are subscribed for subscribing. It really does mean a lot to me. Stay tuned, guys. Smash that thumbs up. I am all over the place right now. I apologize. Anyways, guys, I hope to catch you all in the next one. And until next time, as always, peace out.
With your face reflecting bright green, brights and blues. You know I kinda want to disappear with you, but I don't think that is what I would usually do. You know it's just like I felt the heat the moment he pressed his lips up against mine. Don't wanna fuck this whole thing up like I do every time. Fire is burning through this silence. I can't take it, can't control this flame we started. You know I'm fire in my heart, yeah. run free. So I drown them out at night with my TV. You know I got to try to ignore these thoughts that go back and forth inside my head.